In this lesson, we'll be looking at acid-base indicator and pH scale. Now, which of these liquids showing on your screen is either an acid, a base, or neutral? What will you do to identify the solution? Difficult, isn't it? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Define an acid-base indicator and give at least 3 examples. What an acid-base indicator is. An acid-base indicator is a weak acid, base or dye that when added to a solution gives different colors depending on the pH of the solution. Or it can be defined as a substance that changes color according to the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution to which it is added. What is it used for is the next question I want us to look at. It is used to detect an acid, a base, or a salt. It is also used to detect an endpoint in an acid-base titration. For example, we have methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein. Recall from our previous lessons that litmus paper gives the following color changes in different solutions. In an acid, a litmus paper will give a red coloration. In a base, a litmus paper will give a blue coloration. The various indicators give different color changes in different solutions. And these are, so let's take the indicator. We are going to look at its color change in an acid, its color change in a neutral solution, and its color change in an alkaline solution. So we take the first one. Litmus. Litmus is red in an acidic solution, it is purple in a neutral solution, and it is blue in an alkaline solution. Methyl orange is the next. It is red in an acidic solution, it is orange in a neutral solution, and it is yellow in an alkaline solution. Finally, we have phenolphthalein. It is colorless in an acidic solution, colorless in a neutral solution, and it is pink in an alkaline solution. Let's turn our attention now